In 2026, AI could automate 90% of entry-level finance roles. Faster, cheaper, but what about the human edge? Today, we analyze the takeover and Zen paths to higher ground. Welcome back to Future of Work in the AI Age, our series dissecting AI's challenges with Zen solutions. In Episode 5, we tackled customer services bot revolution. Now, Episode 6 turns to data and finance, sectors where AI's speed reshapes everything. If you're in analytics or banking, subscribe for Zen Tactics. Let's crunch the numbers.
Goldman Sachs estimates AI could displace 300 million jobs globally, with finance and data roles leading at 90% automation for juniors. Deloitte forecasts $450 billion in savings for banks through AI by 2026. Why? AI processes data 80% faster with zero errors, per PwC. But this efficiency creates gaps only humans fill: strategic insight and ethics. With Zen approaches, professionals can elevate to irreplaceable positions.
Let's explore AI's dominance in data and finance with Zen tips to adapt and thrive. First, data entry and processing. AI eliminates manual input. Impact: 90% of entry roles gone. Example: accounting. QuickBooks AI automates ledgers. Why? Speed without fatigue. Zen tip: shift to analysis. Daily 10-minute brain reset to sharpen focus for higher-level data interpretation.
Next, financial analysis and forecasting. AI predicts markets with 90% accuracy. Bloomberg reports junior analysts reduced by 50%. Example: hedge funds. BlackRock's AI models outperform in volatility. Reason: vast data handling. Zen tip: build critical thinking. Stoic nightly reflection to question AI outputs ethically. Third, risk assessment and compliance. AI scans for fraud in seconds. KPMG: 40% compliance jobs evolve. Example: banking. JP Morgan's AI detects anomalies 30% better. Zen tip: enhance judgment. Meta-learning with AI tools paired with mindful pauses for nuanced decisions. Fourth, trading and investment advice. Algo trading dominates. Robinhood's AI advises retail investors. Impact: 25% trader roles shift. Example: stock markets. High-frequency AI executes trades instantly. Zen tip: foster adaptability. Digital minimalism to reduce screen overload, focusing on client relationships. Fifth, auditing and reporting. AI reviews documents 80% faster. Deloitte: auditing time cut by half. Example: tax prep. TurboTax AI handles filings. Zen tip: specialize in oversight. Do-nothing sessions to cultivate intuition for irregularities.
Sixth, personal finance management. Apps like Mint automate budgeting. Impact: advisors pivot to holistic planning. Zen tip: emotional intelligence boost. Nature resets to empathize with client goals beyond numbers.
And finally, overall sector evolution. From transactional to advisory, AI frees humans for value add. Zen tip: lifelong learning. 7-day AI detox to rediscover purpose in finance's human side. AI's takeover in data and finance is swift, but Zen elevation turns it into opportunity. In our next episode, Transportation Automated, Driver's Dilemma. Data or Finance Pro? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for Zen wisdom in the AI landscape. New videos every Sunday. Stay strategic. See you next time.